Hey Adna, I hope this video that I'm going to record it for you maybe will be able to help me, maybe not, but not a problem. I would like to try. So basically, we have this client who is mostly working in the Peterborough area and covers cottages, lakes, and all of that stuff. And everything is good. She's satisfied with the website and all of this stuff, not a problem. But we have one thing that is uh, it's not working for her and she doesn't want to proceed with us until this is completed. So basically what she wants is when we go, let's say here, CO Kawartha Lakes, and then let's see, go to, let's see, Pigeon. Even though on the map side there are listings, the listings are not showing on the left-hand side. That's one of the issues that we have there. Second issue is, let's say we go to cottages, and when we load the page, for example, Peterborough luxury cottages, everything looks fine, all good. But since client would like to have a grid view with all the listings, not the map, when we go to gallery, everything disappears. So that is the main issue that she has with this website to proceed. She likes the layout, she likes everything, but it's not working. For example, her current legacy, as you can see, Kawartha Luxury Cottages. It's a grid view, everything is there, even though it's a map selection, but the listings are showing here perfectly, no bugs or nothing. And that's something that I'm not sure if you can help me or not. Just check this video and let me know if there's anything that you can help me with. If not, I'll check with the team and see what they can do, because production tried everything and they cannot access this. This is probably level 2 or something like that. Looking forward to your answer. Thank you.